Everybody, happy Wednesday. Hope you are listening to this and find yourself safe, happy, and well. This installment of our Wednesday series is continuing a chat about auto insurance and specifically a couple of those little fees that you may or may not have noticed on the bottom of your auto insurance bill. And I'm specifically talking about MCCA and MACP. The MCCA fees are actually going down as of July 1st of this year, and they are $82 per vehicle for the year. And what that pays for is the the Michigan Catastrophic Claims Association. And the Michigan Catastrophic Claims is that part of life in Michigan that kicks in for people who have unlimited medical. And you might remember from our PIP session that people have a choice between buying unlimited medical, a $500,000 limit, a $250,000 limit, or in some cases, no coverage at all. Those people, which is the majority in my experience, who pick unlimited medical, um, that first $500,000 of coverage is going to be taken care of directly by your auto insurance carrier. And then every year, the state legislature picks a threshold over which the Michigan Catastrophic Claims Association kicks in and reimburses the car insurance company. So when people have these very catastrophic situations where their medical bills go into the hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars, that's where that benefit from having unlimited medical really pays off. Who's going to pay for that? Well, not us as individual insurance consumers, but us collectively together, the citizens of Michigan, pooling money into this catastrophic claims program. So this $82 per vehicle that you and I pay into the Michigan Catastrophic Claims Program creates this pool of money, and then our fellow citizens who are seriously hurt, rather than having them individually rack up all of that um, debt and all of those medical bills, Michigan is going to step in. You and I are going to step in through our car insurance companies and help pay for that. So that's part of it, and that $82 per vehicle is a flat standard fee. There really should be no good reason why an individual insurance company should be charging anything more than that $82 per car starting July 1st. The other fee that you may notice is the MAC, and that is the Michigan Assigned Claims Plan. And the Michigan Assigned Claims provides up to $250,000 medical benefit for anybody who is hurt in a car accident and it's a situation where there was an uninsured motorist involved. So even people who are kind of driving dirty and don't have car insurance on purpose, or people who, for no fault of their own, maybe they just have never owned a car, maybe they're not a driver, but sometimes they're a passenger in a car or a bicyclist or a pedestrian. Those folks all have access to the Michigan Assigned Claims Plan up to that $250,000 threshold. And not unlike the catastrophic claims situation, this is another way that the citizens of Michigan are pooling our money together to take care of our own. Not every state does these kinds of things. Well, no other state does unlimited medical, and so no other state has anything like the catastrophic claims situation. Um, and I'm aware of many states that have a $5,000 medical benefit or a $25,000 medical benefit, but Michigan provides at a minimum this $250,000 benefit for everybody, even if it's an uninsured motorist kind of situation. Um, your individual insurance company will determine what that fee is for the Michigan assigned claims. And so you and I do pay for it, but the exact fee is not set by the state. So it is more money out of your pocket. I like people to know that that is part of what's driving the cost of their insurance. Has nothing to do with your individual insurance company or the car you're driving. Any of that. Those are just fees that are set annually, and then assigned across the board. But it is us coming together collectively to do right by each other as best we can. So there you have tidbits on Michigan catastrophic claims and Michigan assigned claims. As always, if you have any questions at all, I am Wayne Haney, your local licensed insurance counselor. I am here specifically to teach about this stuff and answer questions, so feel free to leave me a message, give me a call here at Haney Farm Bureau, and please buckle up and stay safe.